welcome to the next session on operations research. In this session, we will take up numerical on the topic of game theory. We will take up the numerical on the first topic, that is Minimax Maximin Principle. Solve the following game problem using Minimax Maximin Principle. Here there are two players given, player A and B. Player A has three strategies, A1, A2, A3. Player B has two strategies, B1 and B2. And these are the various values given. So now what you will do is you will have to first assume that player A is playing for profit and player B is playing for loss. Once you have done that, you will have to take the minimum of the row. So you're taking minimum of row values. So here amongst 9 and 2, 2 is minimum, here 6 is minimum, and here 4 is minimum. Next you will take maximum of the column value amongst A values. So here maximum is 9 and here maximum is 6. So what you have done over here is you have taken the minimum value. Now once you have taken min, you will have to take the maximum value such that you are fulfilling the maximin part of the principle. So here maximum value is 6. You have already taken up max. So now what you need to take up is minimum. So now you are fulfilling the minimax part of the principle. So your minimum value is 6. Now this is Minimax Maximin Principle, or it is also called as pure strategy. In pure strategy, the problem can be solved only when the value of minimax and maximin, that is over here 6, 6, the two values are going to be equal. If the values are not equal, then this problem cannot be solved by this method. You will have to use the next method that I am going to teach you. So since here the value is equal, you will write down value of game is 6. A is going to take up strategy. Now see A, it is taking strategy corresponding to A2. So the strategy of A is A2 and for B the strategy is B2. So here you will write down here loss of one player is gain of another. One last thing that you need to calculate is the saddle point. Here it is at the second position and this is also at the second position. So the saddle point is 2, 2, A2, B2. So this is the strategy taken up by each player. So this is one numerical. Let's take another one. Solve the following game problem using Minimax Maximin Principle. Sometimes it is possible that it is written solve the following game. It is not written which principle to be followed. So what you can do is you can start with this principle, check the value of game. If that value is equal and you are able to solve, fair enough. If not, you'll have to switch to the next method. There is no as such method that looking at the problem you will start thinking, okay, I'll go for that method or this method. No, if mentioned, well enough. If not mentioned, you'll have to just check once. Now again we'll solve this problem. This game is given. So B has three strategies now, B1, B2, B3. A has three strategies, A1, A2, A3. So like I told you, we will again go for minimum of row. Your minimum value is -3. Here it is 2 and here it is 0. Here I'll take maximum of column value. Maximum here is 4, 2 and 6. Now you have already taken min, so you need to take maximum value now. So here maximum is 2. Here you have already taken the max value. So what you need to take is the minimum value. So the minimum value here is 2. Now you can observe both these values are equal. So I'll write down value of game is 2. Saddle point is 2 comma 2, and strategies, A will take up strategy A2, B will take up B2. You can see here B2 and A has taken A2. So that's a very simple problem. It could be a 5 marks problem asked in the exam. So with this I end the session. I hope you have understood the numerical. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.